Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1964 Chevrolet Malibu. Great car, guys. Bought this car down in Georgia. It's finished in Tuxedo black. It's got the black vinyl interior. Just a beautiful little car. It's got a little hopped up 350 in it with ET Street aluminum heads. It's a 700 R4 overdrive transmission, four-wheel disc brakes, and really just a pretty car. We bought it from a guy down, like I say, down in Georgia. Actually, he was out of Alabama, but it's had a recent frame-up restoration. He's done a lot of cool stuff, like I say, four-wheel disc brakes. It's got tubular upper and lower control arms. Just a cool car. And also, it comes with an R134 AC kit that's in the trunk. Good, solid, straight Alabama body, slick black paint. There's one little ding in the driver's door, which I got my ding man coming today, which unfortunately happened down there at the show. I walked around this car all week, that whole weekend long, and that ding was not there, and unfortunately we came back and the ding, somebody had put a ding in it. But great car. The chrome and stainless is nice. It's got a great sounding little small block Chevy in it. Slick tuxedo black paint. Just a pretty car. Car sits good. This car's just got a good look to it. Nice and straight down the sides. You can see that little ding in the door. Like I say, Randy from Dent Patrol is coming out today, so we should be able to get that out. It's got 18-inch black chrome American racing torque thrust on it. Four-wheel disc brakes, slotted and drilled rotors. And you can see the paint. Again, healthy little 350 in it. It's got a Demon 4-barrel in it. Edelbrock Performer aluminum intake. Edelbrock E Street aluminum heads. It's got the Edelbrock Performer camshaft in it. Stock exhaust manifolds, power steering, power four-wheel disc brakes. It's a factory air car, and again, the compressor is in the. It's got a newer style R134 aftermarket compressor that goes with it. See, it's got the tubular upper and lower control arms, aluminum radiator. It's got a 700 R4 overdrive trans with a cooler. Good solid body on this car. See, the A-pillar chrome is nice. New mirrors, new door handles. There's that little ding there. Like I say, hopefully Randy can come out and take that right out. It's got the black vinyl interior. It's got custom sound system with the custom kick panels for the speakers. It's got the factory bench seat. It's got a sport steering wheel. Factory dash, $93,799. That's supposed to be what's on the body. It's got some aftermarket Sun Pro gauges. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust, 10-bolt rear end. Just a good looking car. It's all spackle painted in the trunk like it should be. Again, this is the AC unit. The brackets are on there. Said he just never put it on. Yeah, sorry, the sun's right behind me. Doesn't want to focus there. That black can be a pain. Nice and clean underneath. The floors are solid. Just a good car. Dash is painted real nice. A little fraying there in the stitching, I noticed that. Other than that, not a whole lot you can really pick. New carpet, new floor mats. A little pitting there in your A-pillar chrome. Good running small block in this thing hits a lick. Yeah, I dig this car, man. This is a good looking body style. Matter of fact, we were talking about that in there. Fuel gauge works. Our gauge is down there working, Jay. Nah, it doesn't look like the alternator. Yeah, voltage meter isn't working. Hopefully you can see that. The blinkers are working. Got a good sound. Other gauges look like they're working. Radio works. We know the blower motor works. That's a killer little car. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. Got a bunch of new stuff coming. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page, or as always, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give Leroy a call, give Jay a call. You can do that at 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.